engineer Omar Hatak here, and today we will discuss about troubleshooting of Sitrak C7H and G7H. But in order to troubleshoot better, you need to understand the basic of the electrical drawing of Sitrak. Here you can see I have pasted some of the pictures from the Sitrak drawing. If you do not understand the basics of the drawing, that how it works, then troubleshooting the problem can be very much difficult for you. So let's start by understanding the basic, and slowly we will move to the more advanced and complex issues. So let's start. In the drawing you will find some alphabet, like you can see here, CNF, DF, LA, LKC, AB, and many more. What does it mean? It means the color codes. Like you can see here, A is for red, G is for purple, B for black, H for orange, and so on. F for green, N for pink. So here it is written CF. So it means there is white and green color wire. Here you can see BKL. So it is black, light blue, and brown color wire. It is going from some point to another point. Hope you got this. Now let's move to another thing. You will see some number, 0.7, 1.5, maybe 5, maybe 25, maybe 75, maybe any number before this alphabet. So what does it mean? It is basically the area of wire in millimeter square. If the number is big, the area of the wire will be big, the wire will be bigger, and so on. So you can got how it works. Moreover, in the drawing there will be some thing mentioned like this. These are different devices like sensors, like switches, like NBCU, like an NOBCU, VCU, and different things. So all these things will be mentioned. Alright, we will also talk about this in the same video. Here you can see this kind of symbols, X something, X102, X1967, etc. These are basically connector. Wire is going into the connector, and from that connector it is going out to some device. Here are some devices. So here you can see the devices, and you can find the M102, this one, K4, K6, and here you can see their name is written. M102. What is M102? M102 is wiper motor. So, and you can see the connector is connected, the alphabet is shown, the number is shown. So easily you can find that what device is you are focusing in and what kind of wire connector is coming or going out of these devices. So with the help of this drawing and this information given, you can locate the device on which you are working, and everything associated with these devices you can follow according to the discussion we made earlier about the wiring color code and the thickness of the wire. I want to make you understand something. You can see this, and this. In Sitrak, either this will be this system, either will be this system, and either it will be this system. So, but the drawing will be same. The drawing is a general drawing which is for this one, this one, this one and this one. All these four kind of system is embedded in this general drawing. So before going to troubleshoot, you should know what system is incorporated in the Sitrak. Then follow drawings according to that system that is provided in the Sitrak. For example, if this is generation 2 system, if the generation 2 system is in your truck and you are following the drawing for generation 3 or generation 4 or generation 1, then you will go in the wrong direction. So you need to be careful and know the system first and then proceed accordingly. I hope this is simple to understand, and if some question arises in your mind, you can message us or you can comment on our video. We will provide more details to you to understand this. Now we are going to discuss another topic, because the diagram is usually from 1 to 20 pages or 60 pages diagram is usually there. So how to trace the problem? In this way, you can see it's very simple. Like, this is the wire that is coming from fuse F1, F11, and it is distributed into 3 wires. This. So here it is right 1930. What does it means? 19 is the page number of the drawing and 30 is the horizontal number that is given in. From here you can see if this is 1930, you will go to 19 page and 30 point and you will see where the wire goes in. Here it is written 111. It means that this wire is going to 11 point somewhere here of page 1. This video you learn about different things, and let's summarize all this learning. Number 1, you learn about the color code. Number 2, you learn about the thickness of the wire. Number 3, you learn how to locate the devices. Number 4, how to understand different generation of electrical system. And number 5, you learn how to go from one page to another page to complete the tracing of problems. I hope that all these points is clear. So try to learn these things, practice these things so that your basic gets right and you can proceed with the troubleshooting. For any kind of information or question, please comment. We will reply you. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.